Hi everybody.
Hi, buddy.
We're going to learn shapes.
Shapes.
Ready?
Okay, go.
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 What shape is this?
Triangle. Square.
Square. Next. This one.
Star.
Star. This one.
Say triangle.
Triangle. It's a triangle. This one.
Oval.
Oval. This one.
Circle.
Circle. This one.
Diamond.
Diamond. This one.
Heart.
Heart. Very good. This one.
Sloth.
No.
Cross the house.
Cross.
Glass.
Cross. This one.
Moon.
Oh, it's a crescent.
Piston.
Crescent. This one.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Next, this one.
Hexagon.
Octagon.
Galing.
This one.
Hexagon.
No, hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hex.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. This one.
Hexagon.
No, pentagon.
Hexagon.
Very good. Finish.
Some more, some more. Some more.
This one.
Okay, go.
Colors.
What dito?
Brown.
Oh, sige.
What color is this one? The cake.
Cake.
What color? The cake?
What color?
And cake.
What color?
Cake.
Color?
Color, look. Brown.
Cake.
This one. What
Yeah.
color?
Window.
What color?
Picture na lang mo.
Yellow.
Yellow. This one, what's this one?
Purple.
No, you look. You didn't kasi.
Shoes.
What color?
Purple.
No.
Dili.
No.
Shoes.
Picture na lang muna, Ray. Picture.
What's this one? What's this one?
Ribs.
Leaves.
What color?
Galing ka naman. Color?
Ribs.
What color?
You look. What color?
Color? Green.
Yellow, green.
Green.
This one, what's this one?
There's a window.
Tomato.
The tomato.
What color?
Red.
Red. This one, what's this one?
Goats.
Goat.
Yum, yum, yum.
What color the goat?
White.
White. Very good. This one, what's this one?
Patingin nga rin, hindi ko makita.
What's this one?
Black.
What color? This one, what color?